Alright, what's going on, guys? We're going to be playing some team deathmatch on Infection, apparently. And we're going to be using this god gun, the Sheiva, man. So, if I sound a little sick, still I'm trying to recover, but I feel so much better, guys, than how I did a few days ago. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Well, yeah, guys, I'm using this Sheiva, man, and I love this Sheiva. You know, I don't know why, I hated this gun when earlier in the game's life cycle. I don't know why, but now this is probably like my favorite assault rifle in the game. This thing is just so accurate. Ooh, I knew that guy was gonna be up there. Oh, come here, you little squirrel. Ooh, get wrecked. But I haven't fully upgraded it yet, as you can see. But still, this gun is still way too good, man. Honestly, really, if you have at least stock on this gun, you're good. You're set. Oh my god, let's go. I'm telling you guys, this gun has no recoil. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Son. Oh, okay. We have like a few more points. Let's pop this combat focus, dough. Oh, don't shoot at me like that. That scared the Come here. Okay, let's see. He probably ran away. Oh, you little monkey, you ran away. Why would you do that? But it's okay, I got you. Oh, there we go. Get the raid, let's go. Ooh. I saw... Ooh, no, there's a guy right there. I saw his thing. That's why I wear a blast suppressor now. I saw his little thing. His little signal that he jumped up there. I waited for you, playboy. Ooh. Go in, right? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I love about these streaks, man. They go in. The big streaks in Black Ops 3, they actually work. They actually go in. Look at that. That feed, though. That feed, though. Oh, yeah, guys, I forgot to mention. Today is double XP. So, I'm not going to prestige anymore. But if you guys are prestiging or on that level 1000 grind, you guys should go and definitely play a lot because there is going to be double XP. Like I said, I'm not going to prestige because it's just too much. Okay, I'm still grieving over my level 1000 account being banned, so. But we're going to use this mothership. We're going to call it in back here. And we're going to see what we can do with this baby. Well, I thought I could use combat focus, but apparently it doesn't work like that. They should be spawn. Yeah, I was gonna say they should be spawning like right over here. But yeah, guys, it's like I think it's like 12. No, it's like 11:30 right now. 11:30, almost 12 o'clock, and since I didn't upload a video yesterday, and I apologize for that, I think I'm gonna make a double upload just to. Come here, come here. I think I'm gonna double upload just to make up from yesterday because I think that's the right thing to do. Yo, these guys are trying to destroy it. Come here. Come here. Yo, you guys are rude. What are you doing? What? How did those rockets not get him? Dude, we are killing it, but I don't think we can get that 70 kill. No, we can't. I would have to get literally every single kill right now. Oh my god, dude, that guy almost killed me. Oh, I would have been really mad if he would have killed me. Oh no, I choked that kill so hard. Oh no, that guy had no reaction time. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Oh man, I almost choked my streaks hard. Let's call this Rapson. Oh, I almost choked those streaks hard. Oh my god, dude, we haven't died once yet. We're on a relentless. Oh wow, this is crazy. Now I'm on a mission not to die. Oh baby, 61-0, dude, that's crazy. Holy 61-0. Let's go. Look at this guy. That guy got like a double piece right there. That's cool. Wow, 61-0. We didn't die once, boys. That's crazy. That is crazy, but that's going to do it for right now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you guys did enjoy this, please leave a like on it. Rate the video. Subscribe if you guys are new. Share the video. Really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. I really do appreciate it. And, you know, guys, if I sound like a little different, like I said, I'm sick. Still kind of sick. And I kind of woke up not that long ago. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I woke up like probably like half an hour ago. And it's like, what time is it? It's 11:40 now, so it's like 11:40. No, 11:37. Okay, 11:37. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace out, guys.